My mom bought me Christmas clothes and beautiful shoes.
Dad got me shoes and a very nice suit.
Christmas is here. Wow, what am I going to buy for my wife and my children?
Oh, it's Christmas again. They will eat me. I'm such a big chicken. Cluck. Why me?
This Christmas, go good-o. Good-o.
I am not real. Tasha created me, and she's going to show you how she did it in this video.
So watch till the end.
Welcome to yet another video. These short clips that you guys just watched were created by simple AI apps and some website that I'm going to be showing you guys on this video. And these videos were created within a period of few seconds to 1 minute. Like, it is so easy to generate this video. It is no longer news that if you want to grow faster, like one of the ways to grow faster currently on YouTube is through the animation or AI generated niches. As long as you know how to do it well, then trust me guys, you're going to make it massively on this YouTube street. So for those of you that are looking forward to start your animation niche and you don't know where to start from, then this video is for you, because on this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 apps and website that you can actually use to convert your text to video within a very short period of time. And these apps are totally free guys, even though they have paid version. One of them is actually very free, like I've not seen anything like subscribe, and it doesn't have watermark at all, while the other 2, they have the free version and they have the paid version. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to use this website and this app to generate your videos, like very beautiful videos within a very short period of time. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it. First app I'm going to be showing you guys is the Qwen AI. All you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then you type Qwen AI and you will see the app there. Download it and then you can sign up with your email. Once you're done signing up, now let's go straight to the screen record. Let me show you guys practically how to use it.
So the first app that we're going to be using to generate our text to video is the Qwen AI. Look at it, this particular one here. All you need to do is you just head straight to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, and then you download the app. After downloading, you sign in with your email and all that. So just immediately you just see something like this interface. So what I normally do is I normally go to ChatGPT to generate my prompt. But if you are very good in typing your prompt yourself, then you don't have to use ChatGPT. So let me just go to ChatGPT and show you guys how I normally do it. So this is ChatGPT now. You can type, but I'll be using a voice recorder to tell ChatGPT to give me what I want. So I'm just going to click on this record icon here. Please kindly help me generate a Pixar 3D image of a young man standing inside his sitting room and saying, "Christmas is here. Wow. What am I going to buy for my wife and my children?" Let him be wearing a very beautiful shirt and a jean. So we're going to allow ChatGPT to generate the prompt for us. So you want to make sure that your prompt is very brief and short. If you make it too long, the app might not generate it for you. So what you do is you just copy your prompt. So you don't have to include this emoji. You copy, come back to Qwen AI, and then once we open it, we'll see this interface, and then you scroll to video generation. Click on this video generation, then you go ahead and paste your prompt here. After pasting your prompt, you're going to allow it to load for some time. So this normally take like 2 to 3 minutes in some cases, so we'll just give it time to load. As of when I'm making this video, this Qwen AI app is very free. Yeah, I don't know if maybe in future it will change, but for now it is free. You can create like 8 seconds video. You can create like 7 to 10 in a day. Yeah, then you give it some hours. I think like 7 to 12 hours if I'm not mistaken. Then you can come back and create more. So we're going to wait for it to load, and then we'll come back. Ready, like in fact it is ready. So let's see what we have. Let's play and see what the outcome looks like.
Christmas is here. Wow, what am I going to buy for my wife and my children? Christmas is here.
Wow, so guys, can you guys see this? This is very amazing, and it doesn't have watermark. This app doesn't have watermark. It is free and it doesn't have watermark. So you can create as many as you can, and then you merge them together in your CapCut, and you are good to go.
Another way you can convert your text to video is using this particular website, and the name of the website is one.video. Just go to your Google Chrome and type one.video.
To do is head over to your Google Chrome, and then you're going to type one.video AI. Look at it here. Just click on it, and then you allow it to load. Once it loads, don't go for this one that normally shows sponsored results. Always go for the one after that one. So you click on it and allow it to generate. Once it generates, it's going to show you an interface like this. You're going to use your Google to sign in. So I'm already signed in. I've already registered, so I don't need to do that again. So once you get to this point, what you're going to do next is you need a prompt. If you're very good in generating prompts, like you have your own ideas and you know how to navigate your prompt and put it so that it will bring what you want for you, fine and good. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be going to ChatGPT to generate my prompt. Yeah. So you go to ChatGPT. You can actually type. These are the ones I used previously. You can actually type if you want, and you can also use this voice recording icon. So let's use this voice recording icon to generate our prompt. So let me tell ChatGPT what to do for us. Please kindly generate a prompt for me in Pixar 3D. A man sitting in front of his house, and then he says, "Oh, Christmas is here. What am I going to buy for my children? Please make the prompt brief and in Pixar 3D." So we'll allow ChatGPT to give us the prompts. We'll just give ChatGPT a little time. So as you guys can see, look at how the prompt is very brief and short. If your prompt is too long, it might be very difficult for the app to give you what you want. So let's copy the prompt. You can still edit the prompt after ChatGPT gives you a prompt. So let's copy, and then we head back to the website. That's the one.video.ai. So this place that you're seeing T2V, you click on it, and then you select text to video. So you now click on enter your idea, and you paste your idea. You can remove all these emojis, they are not necessary. So I'm going to be adding something to this prompt. I want it to be a black man sitting in front of his house. Yeah, so this is it. You go ahead and click generate. Now this website is free, but it has a paid version. It has a paid version too, but for now this is the free one that we're using. Once you exhaust the free trial that it will give you, I think you will need to upgrade in order to create more videos. So these are the videos I created recently, as you guys can see. Yeah, so you have to wait for some time. It's queuing, and it will take a little bit of time, even though when I was generating these other ones it didn't take much time. Yeah, so you just allow it to load for some time. You can even leave the website and go and do other things before you come back and continue. So I think I've exhausted my free credit for today, and I think after 7 hours or 24 hours they will still give you more credit. But these are what I was able to generate so far, which you guys have already seen in the beginning of this video. Yeah, so you can generate I think 3 videos, and then you leave it for a few hours before you'll be able to generate more free videos. If you want to subscribe and upgrade to the paid version, then fine and good.
The last website for today, the third website I'm going to be showing you guys that you can use to convert your text to videos is the image.fx. Just type image.fx in your Google Chrome. Let me show you guys step by step on how to do this.
Click on your Google Chrome again, and then this time around you're going to type image.fx or image.fx, whichever you see. So after typing, you're going to see this Google Labs. Go ahead and click on the Google Labs. So you're still going to use your Google to also register for this one. Use your email address to register. Once you register, you click on this image.fx drop down menu that you're seeing beside. In some cases, they'll just give you, immediately you open, that will be the first interface you will see in different color. But you click on this image.fx. After clicking, you click flow, select flow, and you allow it to load. Once you select flow, you click on new project. So since we couldn't use these prompts on the website, that's the one.video, we're going to be using the prompts here. So you see this small arrow that is showing here. You click on this small arrow first and make sure that it is in text to video. So if you want to create image, look at it, the prompt is there. Ingredients to video or frames to video, it is also here. So make sure you select the text to video. Then let's go back to that same prompt that we generated that we couldn't use earlier and generate it here. So you copy the prompt and then you come back. And this place is showing you generate a video with text. You click on it and then you paste. Now, this place you're seeing VEO 3.1, you click on it and make sure that your aspect ratio is in landscape, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio. Except you want it to be in portrait, then you can leave it or change it to portrait. So for the sake of this video, this is it. This is how we're going to be doing it. This particular one, this app also has a paid version and a free version. This is the free version I'm using to generate this video. So while we're waiting for it to load, this website is also a paid website. It has a free version and also a paid version. When you register new, allow you to use it for some time. But the only wisdom you can do here is if you have more than 2 or 3 Gmail accounts, when you put the first one and you generate your video, you can also use another different email address to still register again so that you can use. If you have money to upgrade for the paid version, fine and good. Let's give it some time to upload. It doesn't take much time to upload, and let's see what we'll have. Guys, our video is done uploading. So let's see what it looks like.
Christmas is here. What am I going to buy for my children?
Can you guys see this?
Christmas is here. What am I
This is so good, guys. This is so good. So what you're going to do is you can just save it. Save it. You always use this original size 720p to save your video. It is faster and it doesn't take time. You go ahead and save to your file. From your file, you can send it to your photos and your video. Guys, you can generate up to 5 to 7 short clips from this particular website too. So you can generate your clips, generate your scripts and other things that you want for your videos. When you're done, just go to CapCut and edit it. You can remove all those watermarks. This one has watermark, but it's just very little. The watermarks are not too bold and they are very easy to take out. Anytime you've decided to edit your video, you can easily take them out. When you're using these free versions, you don't need to rush. You can take your time, even if it's 2 to 3 days to generate your clips, and then you come to CapCut. Okay, let me show you guys what to do. Once you come to CapCut, you click on this new project and then you add your clips together depending on how many you generated, as many as you can. Guys, just generate enough clips and then you have something like this. You cannot put them together, and at the end of the day, you have your long form videos. You have your long form videos. You can just do some little editing, very minor editing, guys. You can just increase the brightness, sharpen it a little bit, the saturation, contrast, clarity and all that, just to make it look very good. And then for this logo that I told you guys about, the watermark, so for this watermark you just need to zoom your video a little bit and take the watermark out, and at the end of the day, that is it. You guys can see, isn't this beautiful, guys? So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? You can add so many things to your video and make it look nice. Just take your time and generate your clips, and that is it, guys. That is it.
Christmas is here. Wow, what am I going to buy for my wife and my children?
Oh, Christmas is here. What am I going to buy for my children?
This Christmas, go good-o, good-o.
You can use these 3 methods I just showed you guys to convert your text to your videos and start your animation channel. Like, a lot of people want to start, but you guys are procrastinating. Like, you want everything to be perfect before you start. No, it doesn't have to be that way. You can start by making little mistake. With time, you perfect your videos and your videos will start looking very nice. Make use of all these free apps and websites for now. Start generating your videos, guys. They are very easy to generate, even though some of them will need maybe a day or 2 to do them, but then it's still worth it if you just take your time and plan your scripts and edit your video very well and upload it. We learn every day. Even if you start now, it might not be making sense for now, but with time you get exposed to a lot of other apps out there that you can use to create your animated videos, and when you look back in future, you will be glad that you started small. So if you made it to this point, thank you so much, because that brings us to the end of this video. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Give this video a very huge thumbs up. See you guys in my next. Bye.